Y'all swear to God on this?
We're gonna take it up the nose.
30, 100, right? Swear to God.
Louisiana sauce, straight in the nose.
Hold on.
Careful. You got hold up. Don't lay on the floor so you can get it in, so you won't waste it all over your face.
No, I got this.
No, you gonna waste it on your face, it ain't gonna go down your nose like that, man. Go lay down. Lay this way so I don't get. I ain't gonna write him on charge. Come this way. Hold up. Hey, can't get you. Come this way.
Go eat.
Now you something by your face.
Go outside now. We're back wrong, go eat. I'm gonna show y'all.
Come this way. I'm talking about turn y'all head this way.
Hold on,
man.
Y'all tell me when y'all ready.
Alright, we're gonna tell you. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Louisiana sauce, straight in the nose.
Louisiana house. Wing sauce.
They told me that he was about to have a son.
You wasted, man.
Look at this.
You pushing it back out. You ain't let it go in your nose. You pushing it back out your nose.
I did not get nothing out of my nose.
She immediately got this on the ground.
No, it's not.
Hold your head back.
Oh my God.
On the porch, man.
On the porch.
Boy, yeah, I ain't gonna tell y'all no more. I'm gonna show y'all. Get the hell out. Can't see his face. He hide from that light. That dude here, fucking
Ricky. Louisiana sauce, really straight up the nose.
Steve-O ain't got shit on you. That motherfucker Steve-O ain't got shit on Ricky. Ricky Andrew Peever Jr.
Have some more tissue now, dog.
yeah.
We need to let the ice out the cooler.
Oh my
I
God.
just want him to do something. Go get the chick. Stand right there. You don't have finna eat.
Stop this bitch. Don't make a move right here. I'm on, you on the win.
Yeah, come need him.
People go, man.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna get that up.
Get hotter. It's gonna get hotter. It's gonna get hotter.
You get your ass back. Take it back to the room.
He's still damn good.
Man, don't get that boy no more of that shit. That damn boy call out in here, all y'all ass going to jail.
Nuh-uh. That's why we got him on camera, because you do it yourself.
Shit just got real. Get some water. There you go, bro.
But my mouth is a brain.
Drink some water, man.
Don't give her that hot ass shit. Go put it on the bed.
You feel right?
Dude, I couldn't do it all, dog. I'm sorry.
Let's see.
Don't get that damn body ass boy none of the other good. I'm not going to jail with y'all crazy ass.
Hey, if this ass die, we're gonna dunk his ass in that room.